Hi everyone, my name is Reagan Bierma and I live in Idaho Falls, Idaho, born and raised here. I am married to my best friend and we have two boys together, a 4-year-old and then a 1-year-old. I've been going to BYUI for a long time. I think I'm on year 7, maybe 8. I think 7, almost 8. So, but I'm hopefully finishing within the next couple of semesters. So, I do work a full-time job, and my husband also works a full-time job. So, we are busy with our kids and working and school. So, it's obviously late at night right now, but um, anyways, it's worth it. So, some hobbies that we have, I don't really have any personal hobbies just because I don't have time, but we do love to be in nature. I love driving. Obviously, we live in Idaho, and Idaho's gorgeous, so we do lots of drives. We do own a razor, and razor riding is very fun with our kids. Um, anyways, so I currently sell insurance for a living and just working on my education because it's the right thing to do. So, anyways, I'm excited to get going with the semester and see how everything fares. So, Um, the percentages I broke out, I thought we should do the accountability project as 30%. When I was watching the video earlier, I thought there was a lot of valuable lessons to be learned in the accountability project. Part of leadership and organization is having people set goals and then fulfilling those goals or helping them fulfill those goals. So when I was watching that video on the accountability project, it really struck a chord with me on that's what leadership is helping everybody for the greater good. So write-ups I thought should be 30%, and then the accountability quiz 25%, and peer evaluations is 15%. So anyways, I'm excited to get to see everybody's videos and hopefully everybody has a great semester. Thank you.